Hello and welcome to this video on first principles method FPM. This arrow here is read as tends to or approaches to. I consider a random function y is equal to f of x and I choose 2 points on this function a and b and name it as x comma f of x and b as x plus h comma f of x plus h. We know the meaning of f of x is basically the value of y for every value of x substituted. I'll repeat this once again. The meaning of f of x is the value of y for every value of x substituted. Alright, and here I have the coordinates. I have two coordinates here, a and b, and I try to find the slope of this straight line AB, which is basically called as a chord or a secant, which is the difference in y values divided by difference in x values. So I will move to the next page. Let's see what the slope of the chord AB is. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is f of x plus h minus f of x, difference in y values divided by difference in x values, x plus h minus x. And I simplify positive x and negative x becomes 0, and we have the fraction f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h is basically the slope of the chord AB. Alright. Now we basically a and b are very close to each other and it's been magnified, and as b gets closer to a, if you watch closely, as b gets closer, I just have some points here getting close to a. As b gets closer to a, the slope of the tangent, slope of the chord AB approaches the slope of the tangent drawn at a, and it's technically both a and b together very close. Alright, I'll repeat this once again. As b gets closer to a, h tends to 0, h approaches 0, therefore b and a are very close, and if you draw a line, it looks like a tangent connecting both points a and b. Alright, so the difference between slope of a chord and slope of the tangent is going to be the limiting process as h tends to 0. So f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h is basically slope of the chord AB, and with the limiting process f of limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by x plus h minus x, which is basically h in the denominator, is called the first principles method. Let me conclude. The only difference between slope of the chord AB and slope of the tangent technically drawn at AB looks like one single point at A. Alright. As B approaches A, even though they are very close to each other, h tends to 0 or h approaches 0. The slope of the chord AB approaches slope of the tangent. Alright, and which is called as the first principles method, and it could be denoted as f dash of x. For any given f of x, the first derivative is f dash of x, or you could call it as the gradient function or the derived function. Here we say the first principles method is basically f dash of x, which is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. I hope you understood this, and we could use this first principles method to prove the first derivatives of a few standard functions. Alright, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.